Yo, chill.
Tatlo.
No. So,
Thank you, Marco.
as for me naman, siguro since I just got out from the house, siguro it's been quite some time din na hiwalay ako sa family ko. And after that, parang syempre nagkaroon ng mga guestings sa mga ganap. So, for this Holy Week, siguro it's not really much of a sacrifice kasi nagawa ko na siya inside the house. And for this time, I wanna spend it with my family lang talaga, and especially my brother, na hindi ko nakaka-bonding ever since. So, siguro simpleng get-together lang with some relatives, and yung favorite bonding namin ng family ko is mag-billiards. So, I just wanna make my brother happy. I just wanna make sure na makapag-catch up kami ng family ko, and makagawa kami ng bonding na talagang maaalala namin every time. Yeah.
Kumbaga, huwag kang hindi magbibilliards kasama ng
Yes, sir.
Allen, I'd like you to answer that in English form.
May I go out? I'll be back later.
Parang klase, nagpaalam bigla.
Pandemic pa yung biro na yan.
Go, Allen.
Ako, ganun din naman. Wala naman sacrifice. Kumbaga, mag-celebrate ako ng Holy Week with my family talaga. Kasi, yan, di ba, kumpleto kami ng family ko. Yun talaga para sa akin yung pahinga ko eh. Yung makasama ko yung family ko na ginagawa ko before yung mga ginagawa ko sa Bicol. Like, lahat ng mga favorite kong gawin, mga friends ko, yung mga pagkain na gusto ko, ginagawa ko siya every time na umuwi ako ng Bicol. And ngayon, siguro yung sama-sama kami makapagsimba ngayong Holy Week. Yun talaga.
Kumbaga, huwag kang makakalimot sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Doon kayo at ang iyong pamilya ay naninirahan pa sa Bicol. Tama ba?
Actually, lahat ng family ko nasa Bicol talaga.
Oo. Ayan. Thank you very much, Anne. Michael.
You know, this Holy Week, I'm excited kasi last year we were in Pinoy Big Brother, some of us. And
Nandun ka ba? Joke lang.
and siguro at the time, I learned to really reflect on sacrifices, and it's not really a week of just relaxation and pahinga. Kumbaga, it's really about God and the sacrifices He's done for us. So for me, my biggest sacrifice is really to think about Him more often and talagang thank Him for all the blessings He's given me this year and moving forward rin. But siguro din kasi as an actor, it's bihira to get pahinga. So what we do is sinusulit namin yung Holy Week. So hopefully I get to find some rest and maybe travel a little bit kahit napakamahal ng gas. Pero ayun, maybe we'll see where I will go this week.
In other words, don't forget to thank God for all the blessings He has given you, your family, your loved ones, and we'll be right back.
Naubusan.
Josh?
Oh, yes. Before anything, gusto ko syempre magpasalamat sa inyo lahat for coming. I know you guys are busy, but you made time for all of us here. And we're thankful, and thank you din, Marco. But anyways, ayun nga. Ako, my greatest sacrifice, or my sacrifice for Holy Week.
Yung sinabi mo kanina.
Ako yun nga eh. So, ang sacrifice ko nga for this Holy Week. Hindi, of course, I think it's the same as Sean. I'm away from my family kasi and they're really far. So, I can't really go there and come back. Kasi yung mga schedule ako na kailangan habulin. So, siguro yun na yung sacrifice ko, not spending time with my family. Almost most of the year. Halos mga 3 weeks na kami nagsasama per year. So, I think that's my greatest sacrifice of not being to see them grow, lalo yung mga younger sisters ko, para lang mas maganda yung future ko. So, for this Holy Week, I'll be working din. I'm gonna be doing some online content lang. And if ever may magaya or if I have free time, I might...
Bro, tara.
Pwede tayo. That's right. And if ever, yun nga, if possible, to go out of the city, that would be nice. Pero at the moment, wala naman. Focus lang talaga ako sa work.
In other words, Josh, huwag kang makakalimot kahit hindi mo kasama ang iyong pamilya at gumagawa ka ng online content sa mga panahong ito. Maraming
Yes.
salamat, guys.